Alright, so I just got this Freeman framing nailer through the Home Depot Seeds program. Hope you can see it alright. I'll hold it up. Right here, normal design. I've never had a framing nailer before, so I'm not too, I guess I'm not too well versed on it. And there's not too many adjustments on it. I mean, there's this right here keeps the nails in there pushed all the way up to the front near the head of it, and there's a switch on the side here, so you can do either single shot or multiple. I'm assuming that if it's on the multiple, if you just hold the trigger down, you can just keep going. If you're nailing a whole bunch in succession. The quick disconnect it came with is the one that I have on my Bostich compressor, so I didn't have to change anything on that. It just hooks right in, no problem. And they do make, I think, two different versions of this one. They make a 34-degree 3.5 clipped head nailer, and they make a 21-degree 3.5 round head framing. This takes the clipped heads, paper, put the paper, hold them right there. They're on an angle. Now, when they say clipped head, I don't know if you can see that on here. Let's see if you can hold it up close. I don't know if it's going to focus. There we go. You can see that. It's hard to tell. Right on that edge, it's like they cut part of the head off. So that's what they mean by clips. I bought this box online through Home Depot because I don't really have any projects where I'm going to be building anything right now, except for maybe a wall real quick down here to separate the basement from the shop. So this wasn't that much. Normally, if you go to the store, they have these in like boxes of, I don't know, way bigger than this. Anyway, so that's that. Let's see how we can nail this together. I have a 3.5 inch nails in there now, I believe these are, or no, these 2 1/4. These are 2 1/4. So let's see how it goes. Pretty good. Nails in, I'd say, just protruding out there a little bit. Like I said, I don't use framing nailers, so I don't know exactly how that's supposed to be in there. If you can see. Anyway, so seems to work all right. There is you push it down. And that's where the safety is. So then once that's up, this piece right here, I don't put my finger in front of it. Once that's down, then you can pull the trigger, and it goes in. So, to me, I mean that's about the extent of it. It seems to work, and this one actually countersunk about 1/8 of an inch. So it's working. I would say it's definitely. I don't have anything compared to it. It's got some weight to it. The grip, it's got a soft grip where the trigger placement is and everything. For me, it seems to feel good. It's balanced well, even though it's so big, and you definitely have a clear view of where you're nailing. The body doesn't get in the way of it at all. So overall, I think it's a decent nailer. From my limited experience, like I said, I might frame out a wall with it just to put it through some more paces to see how it goes. But I mean, there was no setup really. Just put the nails in, and it was ready to go. So far so good. These are the nails that I bought to test it with from Home Depot. Sorry about the glare. And they fit right in, no problem. If you want to know exactly the two different types, there's the 21-degree. This one is the 34-degree. So that's that. And I'm just running it off of my little Bostich compressor that I use for all my other pneumatic tools. Nothing crazy, a little pancake compressor. That's it. I'll give you a little better view of it itself. I'm assuming this is a new brand for Home Depot because I tried to look it up on their site and it didn't really come up when I checked it. It may be on there now, but sometimes they put stuff in the Seeds program before they even have it for sale, which I think this is the case with this one. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments.